There are two bolts behind here and here. But before you do that, just lose it a little bit so it can move like this. Then you take huge screwdriver, big screwdriver, flat one, and you need to press this caliper back in. You will feel it that it just can't go anymore. That's the moment when you stop. One and two. And this should just come out like this. Don't let it hang, because it can actually spoil the hose here. So what I usually do, I just fix it like this. So here are the actual brake pads. They come out like this. Normally you need a metal brush, and you have to clean these places here. Unfortunately, I don't have one now, so I will just clean it as I can. So here we have new brake pads. You just need to find the right position. Like this. Like that. What I also like to do is to take these ones here out and to check them for grease, because sometimes they stuck. This one is actually good. Sometimes they stuck and then just, it doesn't work the way it should. So I'm going to grease these up. I'm going to put them back in, and then I will just continue the work. So here we are. This is one. This is two. So we put this one back where it belongs, like this. Bolt one, second one. Hand tighten it just a little bit. This is how fast you can do your brakes by yourself. It doesn't take much time. Now all I have to do is just to put the wheel back on, torque it to 120 newtons, and it's finished. Now you just need to repeat this process to the other side, and you have your new brakes. So when you're finished with replacement, just pump the brakes a few times so they can fit in the right position, and then you're done.